Hey guys! So today I'm going to be talking about the definition of excretion, which is the removal from the body of the waste products of metabolic activities, which include urea, water, salt, and mainly anything that goes through the kidney and out the ureter into the urinary bladder and the urethra. So the basic structure of the kidney is right here, and that's the outer layer, which is the cortex, not to be confused with the skin or the outer layer in terms of the casing of the kidney, but it's a layer of the kidney, and then the inner layer, which is the middle layer, is the medulla. You can remember that I M medulla for middle, which is another M, MM. And then the renal pelvis, which is connected to the ureter, and that is the inside of the kidney. So the kidney has a variety of renal veins and renal arteries which flow from the heart to the kidney, which is the renal artery, and there's blood which contains urea, salt, water, glucose, protein, comes into the renal artery and goes through the system of the cortex, medulla, and the renal pelvis and comes out the ureter. Then clean blood moves from the kidney to the heart through this renal vein right here. So that you have two kidneys, and both of them have ureters that connect down here, which you can't see, to the urinary bladder, and eventually out the urethra. And there, you can't tell right now, it'll be discussed in another video, but there are nephrons, millions and millions of nephrons, which are inside of the cortex, the renal pelvis, and the medulla. So it's inside of the cortex, there are cortical nephrons, and then inside of the medulla is the juxtamedullary nephrons. So there's the basic structure of the kidney.